Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you about how to do this beautiful eye makeup look. It's a nice smoky eye look and it can be done very quickly as you will be seeing. So it's just within 2 to 3 minutes you can do it. If you're a beginner or like you're a pro, doesn't matter. If you are in a hurry and you want to do a quick smoky eye look, so this is the perfect one for you. Before I go into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. I make regular videos on makeup and skincare. Hit the bell icon for regular updates. So let's get started. Okay, so I have already done my base makeup and I have set my eye with compact powder and loose powder on top of concealer. I'll start with a eye primer. This is Stay Quirky eye primer. I prefer a little bit extra coverage and for that I use this one. For this I am using this Makeup Revolution palette. It is Reloaded Hypnotic. First I will pick up this color for the transition shade. Pack brushes, makeup brushes. I have made a separate review on this, so if you want to check out that, you can totally do that. So I will be picking up this transition shade, this light color, and will slowly put. Next we will take this dark brown color, as you can see. I will directly go with this black shade, as you can see. I'll fill up the inner corners as well, but I'll leave the outer corner so that the brown looks dominant there. Now I'll take a separate brush and we'll just blend it over, mainly the brown portion. Your smoky eye is done, as you can see. Just finish it with some gold eyeliner and mascara and I'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with my makeup look. I'll show you my eyes closely. So this is the look I have created. If you want, you can put false eyelash on this, but I have kept it like this and I haven't put eyelash. So let me know if you like this look and please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for regular updates. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.